how to disable the sleep mode in Windows 11. So if your computer keeps automatically going to sleep, I'm going to show you two ways to disable this feature. So the first way is you can open up the start menu on your PC and then just go and load up your settings. From the left hand side, you need to click on System and then scroll down to the power and the battery. Now from here, scroll down to Screen Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts, and here you'll see Turn My Screen Off After. Click on the drop down arrow and make sure this is set to Never. You'll also need to do the same thing for On Battery as well. Make sure both of these options are set to Never, and that will stop your screen from turning off. Now another way to do this is you can open up your start menu, search for Control Panel and click on this window here. You can then click on View By and select large icons. Click on Power Options. Now click on Change Plan Settings. And from here you can also go and disable the sleep mode. So make sure all of these options are set to Never like this, and then just go and press Save Changes, and that will prevent your computer from going into the sleep mode.